Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best APC UPS Pro 1500 is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone serious about protecting their valuable electronics from power surges and outages, offering robust battery backup and advanced surge protection to ensure your devices remain safe and operational even during the most unpredictable electrical events, making it a critical investment for home offices, small businesses, and gamers alike. Number 5. APC Genuine UPS Replacement Battery APC RBC124. Ensure optimal performance for your APC UPS. Always use genuine APC branded replacement battery cartridges for your Back-UPS and Smart-UPS. Each replacement battery cartridge is tested and certified for compatibility. This restores your APC UPS to its original factory specifications. This particular battery is compatible with specific APC Back-UPS and Smart-UPS models. Please verify compatibility before placing your order. A new battery can resolve most runtime issues if your UPS is otherwise in good condition. This ensures you get the expected runtime. Enjoy peace of mind with our genuine replacement batteries. They are backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty from APC. What we like. This is a genuine APC replacement battery. It's tested and certified for compatibility, ensuring your UPS performs like new. If you're experiencing runtime issues with your existing APC UPS and the unit itself is still in good condition, this is the perfect solution to restore its power backup capabilities. What people say. The APC UPS Pro 1500 has a sleek, compact design that fits easily on a desk or shelf. It provides reliable battery backup and surge protection for sensitive electronics, ensuring uninterrupted power during outages. The unit features a user-friendly interface with clear status indicators, making it easy to monitor power conditions and battery life. Number 4. APC Smart-UPS 1500C SMT1500C. Ensure your equipment stays powered with this pure sine wave UPS battery backup. It provides 1500 VA 900W of reliable power protection, safeguarding your devices. Connect multiple devices with ease. It features a standard input plug and multiple output outlets, offering flexible connectivity for all your equipment. This device automatically adjusts high and low voltages to a safe level. This helps preserve the life of the battery and protects your connected equipment from power fluctuations. Stay informed with easy-to-use remote monitoring. Receive automatic notifications and firmware updates through a secure portal for enhanced support. Enjoy peace of mind with comprehensive warranty coverage. It includes repair or replacement options and a connected equipment protection policy. Manage your power flexibly with outlets offering battery backup and surge protection. It also includes a switchable outlet group for added control. Optimize performance and extend battery life with intelligent battery management. It offers real-time monitoring and temperature-compensated charging. What we like. This unit offers pure sine wave power, essential for sensitive electronics. Its Smart Connect feature provides remote monitoring and automatic notifications for peace of mind. If you need reliable power protection for your network equipment or servers and want the convenience of remote management, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The APC UPS Pro 1500 provides reliable battery backup, ensuring your equipment stays powered during outages. It features a user-friendly interface with clear status indicators for easy monitoring of power conditions. The unit offers surge protection for connected devices, safeguarding them from electrical spikes. Number 3. APC 1500 VA Smart-UPS SMT1500C. Ensure your critical equipment stays powered with this advanced uninterruptible power supply. It provides a stable power source, protecting against voltage fluctuations. Experience reliable power with 1500 VA 1000W pure sine wave output. This ensures your sensitive electronics receive clean and consistent energy. Its automatic voltage regulation, AVR, feature actively corrects high and low voltages. This safeguards your devices and extends battery life. Stay informed with APC Smart Connect, offering remote monitoring via a secure portal. Receive automatic notifications and firmware updates for enhanced support. Benefit from a 3-year repair or replace warranty, excluding battery, and a 2-year battery warranty. Plus, enjoy a $150,000 connected equipment protection policy. Get an extra year of battery warranty at no cost. Simply connect and register your UPS with the Smart Connect app to activate this offer. This unit is ENERGY STAR certified, meeting strict energy efficiency requirements. It's a smart choice for both your equipment and the environment. What we like. Experience pure sine wave output for your sensitive devices with this unit. It's ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it's highly efficient and saves on energy costs. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient UPS for your home office or small business that also offers remote monitoring capabilities, this model is ideal. What people say. The unit has a good battery backup and provides stable power. It has a user-friendly interface and is easy to set up. The compact design fits well in my home office setup. Number 2. APC Back-UPS Pro BX1500M UPS. Ensure your essential devices stay powered during unexpected outages. This unit provides reliable battery backup, keeping your critical equipment running when you need it most. Don't let power interruptions disrupt your work or entertainment. It offers extended runtime, allowing you to keep your computers, network devices, and other electronics operational during blackouts. Power your entire setup with ample protection. It features multiple outlets for both battery backup and surge protection, safeguarding all your connected devices. Maintain a stable power supply with advanced voltage regulation. It automatically corrects voltage fluctuations, protecting your devices from brownouts and surges without draining the battery. Save on energy costs with its efficient design. This unit is ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring high efficiency and reducing your electricity consumption. Keep your system running smoothly with a user-replaceable battery. This feature allows for zero downtime swaps, ensuring continuous protection for your valuable electronics. What we like. This UPS provides ample power for your entire setup with 10 protected outlets. It offers a substantial runtime to keep essential devices powered during outages. If you have a home office with multiple PCs, monitors, and peripherals, and need robust protection and extended backup power, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The unit is well built and has a compact design. It provides clean sine wave output, which is essential for sensitive electronics. The battery backup is sufficient for my needs, keeping my equipment running during short power outages. Number 1. APC Back-UPS Pro 1500VA UPS. Introducing the APC Back-UPS Pro 1500VA. It's designed to handle even your most demanding systems, providing ample power and runtime. You can save your work or ride out short outages with confidence. This UPS delivers pure sine wave power, ensuring the safety of your sensitive electronics. It protects modern PCs, NAS drives, and high-end home office equipment from damage. Experience stable power with automatic voltage regulation. It corrects voltage fluctuations without draining the battery, protecting your components from long-term damage. With 10 outlets, including battery backup and surge-only options, it covers all your needs. Plus, integrated coax and Ethernet surge protection safeguard your data lines. The angled LCD screen provides real-time information on runtime, load, and battery health. You can stay informed without disruptive noise thanks to the silenceable alarm. Charge your devices conveniently with front USB ports, without using a protected outlet. The battery is user-replaceable, and it comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. This unit is specifically designed to work seamlessly with active PFC power supplies found in modern computers. Enjoy stable and reliable power delivery for all your devices. What we like. This UPS delivers pure sine wave power, safeguarding modern PCs and high-end gear. It also features convenient USB-C charging ports and is designed to work with active PFC power supplies. If you're a gamer or a creative professional with demanding equipment, this unit offers the advanced protection and features you need. What people say. The unit has a good battery backup, lasting for about 15 minutes on a full load. It provides clean sine wave output, which is essential for sensitive electronics. The compact design fits easily on a desk or shelf without taking up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.